Welcome back to the channel. I want to show you guys an automation tip over on the Fairlight page. If you have an audio track, regardless of the clip that you have on the timeline, you can actually write fader automation instead of volume automation. So if we were to adjust this line here, this is on the actual track itself. You could see it moves the waveform level. But if we wanted to automate that, you can actually switch over to fader level and write in some automation moves. So you could see the fader rises here at the end. And you can see the fader's green, indicating that automation is being read. Now, if you click the clip, you can delete that. And as you can see, the fader level automation remains behind. And if we wanted to switch the track underneath it, we could just drop it right in and keep the volume automation that coincides with, in this case, where the interviewer is speaking. If you wanted the music to dip down, you could fix that, swap out the track, retime it if you needed to, and you still keep that regardless of what's on the clip. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.